Hello, good day, and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2020 Health Education Past Question 6. The liquid that helps keep the spherical shape of the eye is A. Vitreous humor, B. Sclera, C. Retina, D. Fovea centralis, and A. Aqueous humor. Now, these are the various parts of the eyes. We have the vitreous humor and the aqueous humor. Already, since the question says the liquid that helps, we can just single out what vitreous humor and aqueous humor because these are the liquid components. But now let's just take them one after the other. Now for vitreous humor is the what is a clear gel, and it is what's located between the lens and the retina of the eyeball. Between lens and retina of the eyeball. Now it helps to what support the shape of the eye. It helps to support the shape of the eye. Support the shape of the eye. So it helps to protect the eye. That is, it ensures the what spherical shape of the eye. Now option B says sclera. Now sclera is the white portion of the eye. The white visible portion of the eye that you can see. The white portion of the eye, that is the outer layer of the eye. That protects the eye. So it's the protective, you can call it the outer or the white outer protective layer of the eyes. It is posterior to the cornea. Now the retina is what is the sensible or the light sensitive part of the eye where images are formed. Now this retina receives what light rays from the lens, that is directed from the lens to form image. Then the fovea centralis is a central part located in the what in the luteal. You find it in the luteal. And now this fovea centralis helps to what form a central what vision, a clear central vision, which is required for reading, required for driving, and so on. Now the aqueous humor is also a what? Is also a gel. It's a gel. Now this aqueous humor is located between the lens. You find it between the lens and the iris. Now this aqueous humor helps to what? It helps to provide nutrients. It provides nutrients to the cornea. Provides nutrients to the cornea and ciliary bodies. So from my description now, you agree with me that the liquid that helps keep the spherical shape of the eye is the vitreous humor, like I've said, because the vitreous humor is a clear gel that helps to support the shape of the eye. And let me just give a brief diagram. Let's say for instance we have a diagram, don't mind my diagram please, of the eye like this. These are the optic nerves. This is where the retina is usually located. The retina. Now let's assume it is like this, and this is our lens. Now the aqueous humor is usually found around the side. The vitreous humor is found around the side. Vitreous humor. Then the aqueous humor is usually found around the side. Aqueous humor. Now this vitreous humor that fills this space is what helps maintain the spherical shape of the eye. So the answer to this question is what? The vitreous humor. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.